Now let us solve this test, the series of convergence. Okay, so let us solve this. Now u1 will be 2n minus 1 divided by n into n plus 1 n plus 2, right? Now if you take n, so this would be 2 minus 1 by n, so this is divided by n cube 1 plus 1 by n, okay, into 1 plus 2 by n, right? Now u1 is equal to, now I can remove n, 1n, so that would be 2 minus 1 by n divided by n square 1 plus 1 by n multiplied 1 plus 2 by n, right? Now let us consider a summation of Vn, okay, and where Vn is 1 by n square, okay. Now let us apply the limits. So limit as n tends to infinity, un by Vn is equal to limit as n tends to infinity, so this is 2 minus 1 by n divided by n square multiplied 1 plus 1 by n 1 plus 2 by n, right? Okay, so this is multiplied into n square, okay. Now so you can see the n square gets cancelled, and it's n tends to infinity, so 1 by infinity, which is 0, so this results to as 2, okay. Therefore the summation un and summation vn converges, okay, converges or diverges together, okay, together, okay. But summation of Vn is equal to summation of 1 by n square converges, okay. And now since p is equal to 2 greater than 1, and summation of un also converges. Okay. Let us look at another problem to show that the curvature at the point 3a by 2, 3a by 2 on the curve that is x cube plus y cube is equal to 3axy, okay. E is minus 3a square root of 2 by 16. Okay. Now let us take x cube plus y cube is equal to 3axy, okay. Now differentiating with respect to x, this becomes 3x square plus 3y square. This is dy by dx, which is equal to 3a multiplied into, now this will be x into dy by dx plus this is y. Now let us take dy by dx common, so this would be y square, and you have 3 as common, so that can be removed. So y square minus ax into this is dy by dx is equal to ay minus x square. Okay. Now further, dy by dx is equal to ay minus x square by y square minus ax. Okay. Now at at 3a by 2 comma 3a by 2, okay, let us put that. Okay, so when you substitute it, so we will get dy by dx is minus 1. Okay, so now let us take this as equation 1. Now differentiating with respect to x once again, so you get d square y by dx square, so this is y square minus ax, and differentiating with respect to x for the numerator, that is a dy by dx minus 2x, okay, minus this is ay minus x square, and this is 2y dy by dx minus a. Okay. This whole thing divided by v square, which is y square minus ax whole square. Okay. Now again at 3a by 2 comma 3a by 2, let us substitute it. Yeah. So we get that as d square y by dx square, which is 9a square by 4 minus 3a square by 2 into minus ay minus x square minus 2y dy by dx minus a. Okay, this whole thing divided by y square minus ax whole square. Okay, so when we simplify this, we get 4a, this is a by 4 whole square plus 4a into minus 3a square by 4 to the power of 2. So this is divided by 3a square by 4 whole square. Okay. Now this gives the result as minus 6a cube multiplied 16 by 9 a power 4, which is equal to minus 32 by 3a. Now we got both the results, right? D square, so got dy by dx and d square y by dx squared. Let us find, we have to show that the curvature at the point 3a by 2 comma 3a by 2 on the curve, right? So let us find it. So rho will be, the formula is 1 plus dy by dx, right, whole square to the power of 3 by 2 divided by d square y by dx square, right? So let us substitute it. So this is 1 plus 1 to the power of 3 by 2. So this divides by 32 by 3a. And now this is this will be minus 3a multiplied 2 root 2. So this is divided by minus 32 by 32, right? So this results to as minus 3a square root of 2 by 16. Okay. Thank you for watching. We'll do some more problems.